Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my Nigerian egusi soup recipe without frying the egusi in oil. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. These are the things I'm going to be using for my egusi mixture. I'm going to be using washed and picked and washed egusi, unblended one. I'm going to be using 2 Tatase, which is bell pepper. I'm going to be using Scotch bonnet, which is hidden underneath one of the Tatases, onion, garlic, and 2 eggs right there. The reason I'm going to be adding the egg in there, like I said, I'm not going to be frying the egusi soup, so the egg is what will assist it, or what will help it to rise on its own without frying it and make it sort of lumpy without frying it. So I'm going to put everything in this blender and blend together. I'm going to put pot on fire and then I'll pour in the egusi, the blended egusi, Tatase, onion, Rodo, and garlic mixture. I'll pour it in there, and also I'll be pouring in some meat broth, some beef broth. I'll be pouring it in there to give it some beefy taste and scent. I'll mix everything together and leave it to cook for a couple of minutes so that most of the water in the egusi dries up, and also so it rises on its own sort of and becomes like lumpy. You can see most of the water is almost dried and the egusi is cooking, so I'm going to cover it to let it cook more. So while it's cooking, I'm going to be showing you things that I'm going to be adding in the egusi mixture. I'll be adding palm oil, table salt, blended crayfish, locust bean, Maggi, and some mashed smoked crayfish, kidney, and some tiny beef, which is all washed and in this bowl right here. This is the egusi. Most of the water has dried in there. It's become quite lumpy, so I'm going to start adding all those things I showed you. Now I'm going to start adding it in there. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I'm going to be adding some vegetable. I have in here spinach and bitter leaf. I love bitter leaf in my egusi soup. Bitter leaf has been in the freezer for a while, is the reason it's black like that. So I'm going to mix everything together and let it cook. At this stage I've not added palm oil there because I use the littlest amount of palm oil, you know, Fit Farm family. And yeah, I don't want to mix the uncooked palm oil in it, so that the palm oil would taste uncooked if I mix the uncooked palm oil in there. So that is the littlest amount of palm oil I'm going to be using, just a teeny bit of it, not so much. At times I even use less than this I added in there, and I'll leave the palm oil and everything I added in there to cook for a few minutes. At this time I've reduced the temperature of my cooker, so I'll leave everything to cook for a few minutes. So I'm going to mix it together now that the palm oil has cooked in there. Like I said, I didn't use too much, so as you can see it's looking bright, like whitish, and not really red like that, because like I said, I don't use too much palm oil in egusi soup because egusi itself is rich in fats, and like I said, Fit Farm family. So I'm going to mix everything together and dish it with hot amala or pando yam or something. So that is that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my previous recipes, which I'm going to put the playlist at the end of this video. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.